In this video, we're going to show you how to install or replace a continuous tube in a Watson-Marlow 520R and R2 pump head. To begin, always isolate the pump from the mains power supply and isolate your process control signals and fluid connections. Unlock the guard with a flathead screwdriver. Ensure the tubing that you have is the correct specification for the pump head rotor. The rotor has the specification printed on the black rubber cap. Ensure your length of tubing is long enough to run through the track with enough slack either side to account for pulsation. Refer to the manual for details. Starting at the bottom, push the tube into the clamp. Press and hold the clutch on the rotor. Rotate the rotor assembly as you feed the tubing into the track. Push the tube into the top clamp. Rotate the rotor assembly and then reopen the top clamp to allow excess length of the tube to pass through and for the tube to settle into the track. Depending on bore size, you can use the yellow tabs to hold the tube in place. Remember, when using Marprene or Bioprene tubing, retension the tubing after 30 minutes of running, as it may grow in length as it beds in. Retention to the length specified in the manual. Once this is done, close the guard and turn the pump on. We'll need to configure and calibrate the pump. Navigate to Menu. Navigate to General Settings. Select pump head type. Select your pump head. Navigate to tube size and select it. Navigate to material. Select material and return home. To flow calibrate, please refer to our case pump flow calibration instruction. And thanks for watching.